We provide comprehensive implementation, prevention and corrective maintenance of renewable energy infrastructure, such as the largest wind farms in Poland or large-scale photovoltaic facilities. A professional SCADA monitoring system allows for real-time supervision to ensure uninterrupted operation of photovoltaic and wind farms. We specialize in high-quality operation and maintenance services. We minimize the costs of maintaining facilities through remote diagnostics and control. And thanks to our qualified teams of experts and the latest technologies in the field of energy measurements, thermal imaging, and installation diagnostics using drones, we can quickly and effectively restore operational efficiency and minimize downtime of facilities entrusted to us. We participate in the energy transformation. Energy, safety, sustainable development. WINDTEL.